Hi guys, so for today's video, me and my sister, we came to Target and we're gonna show you guys kind of like what our ideal basket would be for Valentine's Day. We already filmed it, we just got back from Target. When I was doing mine, I was thinking more like practical, you know, like around, you know, 50 bucks or something like that. My sister, you guys will see, her basket was, I want to say like, what, maybe 200 bucks, you see? For sure. She got a lot more stuff. Like, she went into it. Like, I could have gone into it too, but I was kind of thinking like something a little bit more practical other than just flowers.
Yours was very boring.
Yeah, I guess compared to hers, yeah, mine was definitely very boring.
Mine had sentiment. Mine had ideas. Mine was thought through.
Well, hers was mostly everything she likes. Look at how crazy it is right now. Like, we've been here for like, what, maybe an hour already? Well, not in the car, but at Target. And it is raining. An egg holder? I'll probably go with this one. No? Okay, then you could just use that one.
Okay, please. Can I start?
Yeah, you can start. I've been starting, sorry. This looks pretty good. This one's cute.
What if it doesn't fit in my basket?
What is it that you want? Yeah, I was gonna get this one too.
No, not that one. That was okay. That one.
This one's cute.
I want this one. Can I put it in yours?
Sure. This one's cute. So it would be that, and then the bear. So the bear will go like this, like that, sentadito, and then así, tapadito, that, que no se caiga, holding Giardelli.
That's it?
No. Right? Well, I'm trying to make it fit. And then I got some of this, but something like that. ¿Sí lo estás parando bien?
Yeah.
And this. Oh,
I don't know, man.
I mean, it would definitely need more prepping and stuff, for sure. Ese va a poner algún dinero. Damn, I didn't really get that many stuff. So like this one smells good. Like that.
Dude, that's gonna fall.
In there. Well, hopefully it doesn't. And then like a small little bottle of alcohol. Like right here, and then everything would just be taped. No? Okay. It's funny how like we're not even using a basket.
Well, technically, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's like a cupcake holder.
That? I'd get that.
Okay.
Except I would never
How
get
much
this.
is that? That's kind of cute.
It's $14.
Oh, what about if you hang it?
No.
No, okay.
El con the bottom. And then creo como para las movies se da, like that's how
Pero
it's
enséñalo,
called.
enséñalo.
Ahorita
Okay.
movie. Just like shove it under there. The goal is to fit as many things as possible because I'm materialistic. So like the goal is to have as many as possible.
I feel like te estás pasando la línea, pero like what is that?
This is a book I'd always wanted. I would never buy it for myself.
Okay.
So it's
Put
awesome.
it in your weirdo.
Shut. It'd go like that. That's like the actual fun stuff I would get myself. But
What's that?
little look like so it goes with that, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Cute. I'd get I don't know. This looks fun. I feel like I'd get happy if someone gave it to me. And then cream eggs because they're my favorite. I like Cadbury eggs. Estos for sure. Oh,
The popcorn is like dark chocolate, I think.
honestly, I think I'd just rather get this than the popcorn. This is just like to make like just that, or just dip it in chocolate, or just eat it by hand. And that's my
And then
thing.
you would want that. I feel like yours is better than mine.
It is because like
But I was just going like, you know, algo simple too. You went a little bit extra.
I would get something I would get myself if I loved myself.
Huh?
If I had money.
I was gonna get more makeup stuff, but I was like, no, me estoy pasando la línea. Oh, that's so cool. That was supposed to be a heart. So this is the last part of our, what was it? Our Valentine's basket. I want to include one more basket. Okay, so we actually did this basket. I would say it's like the dollar store version. The other one was like the Target version. And we actually made this one. It's not like we did it at Target and just left it there. I made this nice basket.
I'm literally in your video.
Huh?
I'm literally in your video.
No, you're not. It stops right here. I'm just kidding. I didn't make this basket. So we went to the Dollar Tree and we kind of just made something kind of like a centerpiece, and it kind of turned out to be this. This little basket. So technically my sister did end up making this. So it's like 3 little balloons, some roses. You can definitely use real roses if you want to be a little bit more bougie. And then this basket, which is kind of like a heart shape. You can see it's a heart shape. And then we bought that like foam to put in there, and we just stuffed everything in there. I was telling my sister that maybe we should have bought more of these fillers so we can kind of cover it up so you don't see the basket, but you know, it was just for like a little decor. But I think it's really cute. What do you guys think? So this was the last one. So those were our Valentine's baskets, and of course you can always personalize them. If you like, if you know someone that likes like anime stuff, then you can definitely go, you know, based on like what my sister did. And if somebody likes makeup, and then you can kind of go.
Bluey's on there?
No, for your basket over there.
What
At Target.
Oh, that was not the one fucking anime in there. Okay, whatever. I have a box
And if you
of them.
like more, if you want something like still affordable, like you don't want to go all out, but you still want something like very Thanksgiving. Why do I keep saying Thanksgiving? I love Thanksgiving, but it's Valentine's Day. If you want something more Valentine's related, but you don't want to really spend that much money, because you guys, the bear was 20 bucks. The basket, the little heart, like, I guess it's like a cupcake holder maybe, 15 bucks. That's like, what, $35 just on 2 things. So if you really don't want to spend all that much money, go to the Dollar Tree and just buy yourself some cute stuff. And it doesn't have to be that expensive. You kind of have to be a little bit creative. I wasn't really sure like what to do with this. I just like thought like maybe adding a balloon or 2 would be cute. If you want to be a little bit more bougie, definitely add some real flowers in there. I feel like that would be super cute. And then this is supposed to be like a little bow that my mom actually made, so that was just like an extra touch of us. That was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also let me know which basket you like, whether it's mine or my sister's. And if you like my sister's, you can unsubscribe and never talk to me. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.